What's up guys, I'm back with my annual upload, and today I will be showing you how to save your Xbox clips to your camera roll in 2021. Now this works with Xbox One and Xbox Series X clips as well. And I did a video like this a couple years ago, but I decided to retake it because the Xbox app has changed since then. So what you want to do to start off with is download the Xbox app, either from the App Store or the Google Play Store if you're on Samsung. And you're going to want to open it up, and you will see that there is a new bottom menu at the bottom of your screen, and you're going to want to hit the icon that looks like 3 rectangles, and that will take you to your clip library. So you're going to want to select the Xbox clip that you want to save, and in the middle of your screen there you will see save, and you'll have to hit that to download your clip, and it'll take a moment to download. Now the download has finished, so I'll just go to my camera roll to show you that it has saved. And here it is, the full clip is saved to my camera roll. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video helped you. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and if this video gets 100 likes I will upload again. So I'll see you next time guys. Bye.